I'm speaking with Joe DiNapoli today, and we're taking a look at the gold market. Joe, what's going on?
A lot of interesting stuff is happening with gold. All the way back in 2002, I was doing a series of presentations in South Africa. At the time, gold was approximately 250, and I showed them some Fibonacci expansion levels, the first of which is the 729 area. And since gold was trading at the time at 252, I told them the first stopping point was 729. And they were pretty surprised about that. In the year 2006, approximately, we did hit the 729 level.
Now what are we going to see?
Well, if you can take a look down at the expansions, you get some idea at how I came up with these conclusions. What I do is a series of ABC expansions. It's expanded out by specific Fibonacci ratios. It gives you three different levels, COP, OP, XOP. So if you go to the gold chart, the next level after the COP at approximately 730 was in the 1026 area. After a year's consolidations at 728, we did reach the 1026 area, something that at the time I gave the presentation in South Africa was totally unheard of. And after we hit the 1026 area, we had quite a dramatic correction. Those are the two expansions that I predicted in 2002. And after we hit the 1026 area, actually we got as far as 1033, we had an absolutely massive correction all the way down to 904 within just a couple of days. So this stuff is working, and this stuff is working well.
What are we seeing now as the market has rallied over $1,400, it's pulled back to $1,200? What's the next big move?
All right, here it is. And now remember, I was making this prediction in 2002.
Yes.
1504. 1504 is the XOP of the entire move.
And what is SOP?
XOP is expanded objective point, okay, and it is controlled by the Fibonacci ratio of 1.618. Now, the interesting thing about this 1504 level, and believe me, I intend to get all over this trade. The interesting thing, however, is that this information has been out there now for many years. And when people see that the 729, 730 area was accurately hit, had a massive correction, people see that the 1026 area was hit, had a massive correction, now people are paying attention. And when people pay attention to a number, the market has a way of making sure that only a few people are right. So exactly how you play this 1504 area is going to be a bit tricky. Typically, markets will die a bit before the number, or they'll blow through the number and blow the shorts out before the eventual pullback.
So you're saying 1504, but how close is good enough for the Fibonacci retracement?
1504.
Okay, that's it.
No, I've been looking for this number a long time. I've made a lot of money in gold. I do very well in gold. It is a highly liquid market. It follows these techniques very well, and I think we're going to make it. And I think when we do get there, it could signal a bottom to the dollar. It could signal the end of the risk trade. It could signal a lot of things. So it could be a very important number for currencies and for a whole lot of markets, not just gold.
Joe, thanks.
Welcome.
You're watching the MoneyShow.com video network.